Hey guys, how are you? This is the January 2023 question of the Eyepiece Graticule in Unit 3. So in this question, each of the smallest units on the Eyepiece Graticule shown in the photograph is 3 times 10 power negative 6 meters. So each small unit of these is 3 times 10 power negative 6. So if I want to get the diameter of this cell, I'm just gonna count the number of units, then calibrate it by multiplying it to this number, okay? Because I don't want you guys to skip this step. Some of you have just counted the number of units here, which will be 13, then they used this 13 as the diameter and got the radius and substituted into the equation, and this is a very common error in this question. I don't need you guys to do this. So let's count the number of units here. All these are 10, okay, and this is the terminal end of the cell. I'm gonna count these two, so it's gonna be 11, 12, 13. Total number of units here is 13 units, and this is just the diameter, by the way. It's not the radius. If I want to get the radius here in units will be 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5 units. Take care that this is not in meters, it's just in units. In order to calibrate it, I'm gonna multiply this 6.5 by 3 times 10 power negative 6 and get the actual radius in meters. And the answer is gonna be 1.95 times 10 power negative 5. Okay, this is not my final answer, okay? This is just the radius, and I have to substitute into this formula to get the area, pi r squared. Pi is available in your calculators, you can use it. R here is 1.95 times 10 power negative 5, all power 2. And if you used your calculator, this will be 1.19 times 10 power negative 9, and this will be, of course, in meters squared. And let's get into the next question. A cell in tissue B of the vascular bundle has a cross-sectional area of 6.13 times 10 power negative 11. Calculate how many times larger the cross-sectional area of cell F is than the cell in tissue B. So how many times larger? Once I see this keyword, I know that I'm gonna divide the larger number with the smaller number. Or actually here it was already stated that we need to get how many times larger cell F is than the cell in tissue B. So I'm gonna divide the area of cell F, which we have already got, which is 1.19 times 10 power negative 9, divided by 6.13 times 10 power negative 11. Also use your calculator, and it will be 19.48, which bounded to 3 significant figures will be 19.5. My final answer here is 19.5. Let's check the marking scheme. And here is the first answer, the second answer, and that's it guys, we're done. Thank you for watching.